Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see measures of skewness and kurtosis based on moments. So these are the measures of skewness and kurtosis based on moments. Skewness absolute measure is denoted by beta 1 and kurtosis absolute measure is denoted by beta 2 and their relative measure by gamma 1 and gamma 2. And all these are based on moments. So we have 4 moments, mu1, and the second is mu2, third is mu3, and fourth is mu4. So mu1 equals to 0, not required. And first you need mu2, second moment, which is equivalent to variance. So we will put mu2 in denominator of both the formulae. So the task of mu2 is over, and then mu3 and mu4. So we will use mu3 for beta 1 and mu4 for beta 2. So these are now not required. Now one more thing, we will put power 2. This means you need to write mu3 square and mu2 cube of this mu2. And for this second formula, you will put only square of mu2. So this means formula for beta 1 is what? Mu3 square divided by mu2 cube. And for beta 2 is what? Mu4 divided by mu2 square. And this term is always positive, so we can't identify there is positive skewness or negative skewness. So we will use its coefficient, gamma 1. And formula for this coefficient is plus minus root beta 1. Now you can put value of beta 1 from there, but how will you put plus or minus? So this is totally based on value of mu3. If mu3 value is positive, then you will put positive symbol. If mu3 is negative, then you will put negative symbol. And these positive negative symbol refers positive or negative skewness. So you can directly identify by seeing this mu3. If positive, then positive skewness. If negative, then negative skewness. Now for kurtosis, coefficient of kurtosis. So value of beta 2 in 3 categories. First may be greater than 3, second may be equals to 3, and next may be less than 3. So this is less than 3. So we can put beta 2 greater than 3, then you will get this quantity as positive. This means gamma 2 as positive quantity. And for this, if you put beta 2 equals to 3, then you will get gamma 2 equals to 0. And if this quantity is less than 3, then you will get this quantity as negative. 3 situations. So for this kurtosis type, first category of kurtosis type, first category leptokurtic, the value of gamma 2 will be positive, and for this gamma 2 equals to 0, and for this gamma 2 equals to negative. So this is the coefficient for kurtosis. So I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day.